Astronomers have just detected something truly extraordinary drifting through our solar system. An object so unusual that it immediately set off a wave of excitement within the scientific community. It appears to be moving in our direction, slipping silently through the void like a messenger from far beyond the sun's gravitational domain. Early calculations suggest it originated outside the heliosphere entirely, making it potentially only the third confirmed interstellar visitor in all of human history. For now, researchers are calling this strange traveler 3I Atlas. The detection comes from data taken between June 25th and June 29th by ATLAS, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, a sweeping network of robotic telescopes dedicated to scanning the sky for anything unexpected, transient, or potentially hazardous. ATLAS operates a set of powerful, automated telescopes in Hawaii and South Africa, tirelessly sweeping the night sky for the faintest flicker of motion. When this fast-moving, nearly invisible object streaked across the data stream, the system flagged it as an anomaly. Researchers at NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, CNEOS, immediately stepped in. After a detailed review, eliminating the usual suspects such as faulty pixels, cosmic rays, and software errors, they confirmed the unthinkable. The detection was genuine. The object was real, and it was moving fast. What sets 3I Atlas apart is its puzzling speed and its entirely unknown nature. Scientists can't yet determine whether it's a comet shedding frozen gases, a dark asteroid-like body, or something altogether different, possibly a new category of object we haven't encountered before. Intrigued, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, well known for his controversial hypothesis that Oumuamua might have been an alien technological artifact, strongly urged astronomers to aim the James Webb Space Telescope at the newcomer. Loeb is particularly interested in searching for non-gravitational accelerations, tiny deviations in its path that cannot be explained by gravity alone. Such behavior, if detected, might hint at sublimating gases, or at some form of artificial propulsion. The discovery has unleashed a torrent of scientific questions. How large is this object? What materials compose it? And perhaps the most captivating question of all, what exactly is passing through our cosmic backyard on a trajectory that no solar system body should naturally follow? The story began to unfold earlier this week when astronomers observing from Chile noticed something peculiar drifting across the sky, a faint object sliding along a path unlike anything typically found within our solar system. Initial classification labeled it A11PL3Z, little more than a placeholder code for a suspicious speck of light. But by July 1st and 2nd, follow-up observations painted a far more intriguing picture. The object wasn't simply off-kilter. It was moving along a hyperbolic trajectory, the unmistakable signature of a visitor not bound to the sun. Objects on such paths originate from deep interstellar space and, after brushing past, continue outward forever. The turning point came thanks to amateur astronomer Sam Dean, who combed through archived data and uncovered the object lurking faintly in older ATLAS images from late June. His discovery gave astronomers the baseline they needed to compute a far more precise orbit. With more data points locked in, the calculations became undeniable. 3I Atlas was no ordinary wanderer. By Wednesday, the Minor Planet Center, MPC, had received over 100 confirmed observations from telescopes worldwide. Speculation spread quickly. Some astronomers suspected it might be a comet with a faint, undeveloped coma. Others argued it behaved too strangely. But one conclusion solidified rapidly. This object is almost certainly interstellar. The MPC formalized this by designating it 3I Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object ever recorded. Paul Chodos, director of NASA's CNEOS, explained the situation bluntly. This thing is traveling remarkably fast. There's no uncertainty. Its orbit traces back to interstellar space. If you follow its path backward, it points roughly toward the center of our galaxy. It definitely came from another star system, although we don't yet know which. Right now, 3I Atlas is barreling through the solar system at nearly 152,000 miles per hour, currently about 3.8 astronomical units from the Sun. It will make its first notable pass near Mars on October 3, 2025, and then reach its closest point to the Sun on October 23, 2025, at roughly 2 times Earth's distance. Earth itself will be positioned on the opposite side of the Sun during the flyby, leaving no danger whatsoever to our planet. The object's closest approach to Earth will occur 2 months later, in December 2025, as it begins its long outbound escape back into the interstellar void. Scientists still don't know its exact size, and that uncertainty is fueling curiosity. Avi Loeb recently remarked that 3I Atlas appears unusually bright for something so far away. If the object has a dark, asteroid-like surface, then to reflect this much light it may need to be 12 to 20 kilometers wide, substantially larger than both Oumuamua and the much dustier comet Borisov. For most of human history, astronomers believed interstellar objects were exceedingly rare, perhaps too rare for us to ever detect. That belief shattered in 2017 when Oumuamua streaked through the solar system. Its bizarre, elongated form and strange, unexplainable acceleration left scientists stunned and divided. With no visible tail, no jets, and an unprecedented shape, Oumuamua challenged every conventional model for what a natural object should look like. Then came, in 2019, a much more traditional comet. Its clear coma and tail proved beyond any doubt that interstellar objects do occasionally wander into the gravitational influence of the Sun. It was the normal example that balanced Oumuamua's mystery. Now, with the arrival of 3I Atlas, the scientific world faces a new and tantalizing question. Why are we suddenly detecting multiple interstellar objects within just a few years? Have such objects always passed through our solar system unnoticed, slipping by in the night because our telescopes weren't sensitive enough? Or has something changed in our detection capabilities, or possibly even in the galactic environment surrounding us? Some researchers can't help but speculate about yet another possibility, that a small subset of interstellar visitors might be artificial in origin, passive probes, derelict craft, or long-lost relics from civilizations we've yet to encounter. Over the coming months, astronomers will track 3I Atlas with increasing precision, analyzing its brightness, rotation, structure, and composition. Modern observatories, including the James Webb Space Telescope and numerous ground-based facilities, are far more capable than those available during the fleeting visits of Oumuamua and Borisov. This time, scientists have a real chance to obtain high-quality data. And soon, the long-awaited Vera C. Rubin Observatory will come online in Chile, scanning the entire sky every few nights. Equipped with some of the most advanced detection technology ever built, Rubin is expected to uncover interstellar objects far more frequently, revealing whether they are rare anomalies or regular visitors slipping unnoticed through our solar system. For now, there is no cause for alarm. 3I Atlas poses no threat to Earth. What it offers is something far more precious, a rare and thrilling opportunity to observe a traveler from another star system. For a brief moment, it will glide through our cosmic neighborhood, carrying with it stories from places we may never see, before disappearing once more into the vast, silent darkness between the stars. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching.